just in at Unique Classic Cars. 1969 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. Now in 1969, the Coupe DeVille was restyled in the Eldorado image. One of the things they did is they wanted to make it longer, give it that straight line, sleek look, extended the hood out, gave it those long horizontal lines. Classy looking car. Now this particular car we took in on trade, the way you see it is the way that we got it in. That's the way we're representing it. I can tell you, previous owner drove it, did some restoration to it. I'll get in that in a bit also. We have had it out, starts, drives. We've had it around our frontage road, out in front, around the shop and what have you. Before you took any long, major trips, anything like that, you may want to kind of go through it, make sure it's something that you'd want to drive, but just kind of a running driving project, if you will. Take it and put a little TLC into it and drive it, or maybe take it to the next level. Now, the previous owners that had this, was in their family for a while. They ended up doing a color change on it. Went from a burgundy red color to this black. Still has a black interior, and that does show its age a little bit. And this restoration I'm talking about, or kind of the repaint that was done, and it was done, it appeared back in the 90s, in that 20 to 30 range ago. So the chrome on it, it shows its age. The paint, black, of course, you're going to be able to see some light scratching, that type of thing. So not a real high-end paint. It is a little older, but maybe a little wet sanding, a little elbow grease in time. Gotta bring a little luster back on this one. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of it, the engine bay, the interior, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. And, of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. If you look up and down the side of this, considering how long that car is, pretty darn straight. You get a long car that's had a lot of body work up and down the side, starts to show. But fender skirts, wheel covers, little body work or previous body work repairs able to see up at kind of the top of both rear roof lines. Interior's had a little work on the dash right there, and again, looks like original cloth interior, but again, does show its age. Headliner in it is fine. Like I said, this is just the way this one came to us. That's the way we're representing it. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can sure assist with transportation of our vehicles that we sell. Come around to the rear. A lot of the original, say, stickers with the NMC right here, National Motor Club, and the Overvolts, Fargo, Moorhead area, I believe that would have been. May have been the original Cadillac dealer of this one. Again, still pictures. You want to see the trunk, the undersides, engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link in the description down below this video. That's going to take you right there. Underneath the hood, 472. I believe that's a 7.7 liter V8 underneath there. And of course, power windows, power steering. This would have been the factory AC car, cruise control, AM, FM, stereo. Now, as far as, like AC, not confirming that blows cold, anything like that. But car does run and drive. Just a little scratch in front of that. Fender skirt. A little bit of body work have been done in that. Fender skirt also, and then on this side kind of matches the other side where top of that rear quarter does have had some work done to it. All right, power windows. And obviously they go up and down. Got them down at the moment. The things I did play around with it, worked on this a little bit. AM, FM radio worked fine. Wipers worked fine. Let's go ahead and start it up so you can hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay, give you a peek at that also. $84,539 is what the odometer reads. Can't confirm or deny if that's actual. Once the car is a certain age, of course, miles don't say on the title. There you can see fuel gauge, it does work. Look like between 1.25 and 1/2 right there. Again, you do have that little blemish over in the dash on that side. Top of the dash looks good. Again, the headliner was fine. Alright. Got a little rumble coming out of that big V8 underneath the hood. Still pictures, you'll be able to check out the exhaust system and everything on the underside if that needs a little TLC or not. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front of this, pause this a second, get this big hood open, let you check out the 472 underneath the hood. Alright, got the hood popped, a little peek underneath here. Looks like the compressor is still there, but like I said, I have not had that clutch engaged or disengaged. I can't tell you anything about the AC. Power steering, power brakes. On a 1969 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. Black on black now with a repaint in the past. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below the video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can assist you with the transportation of this vehicle. Just consult with your sales associate when you call in or email about any of your questions.